Buongiorno, amici. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of extraordinary coffee experiences. Today, we have a special treat for all the coffee aficionados out there, the marvelous Italian Cortado. The Italian Cortado, known for its balanced flavors and velvety texture, is a coffee beverage that holds some intriguing secrets. Did you know that there are lesser-known facts about the Cortado that will amaze you? Join us today as we unveil the unknown mysteries behind this captivating Italian coffee. Let's begin by exploring the origins of the Cortado. While it's often associated with Spain, this delightful coffee creation has deep roots in Italian coffee culture. Originating from the word cortar, meaning to cut in Spanish, the Cortado was initially inspired by the Italian caffè macchiato. Italians took the idea of cutting the intensity of espresso with a small amount of warm milk, creating their own version of the Cortado, which highlights the harmony between espresso and milk in a perfectly balanced cup. One of the defining aspects of a delicious Cortado lies in the art of steaming milk. Expert baristas pay meticulous attention to steaming the milk just right to achieve the desired velvety texture and temperature. By steaming the milk to create microfoam and achieving the ideal temperature, baristas ensure a silky mouthfeel and a perfect harmony between the espresso and milk in every sip. Now, on to our next fascinating fact, the precise espresso-to-milk ratio that makes the Italian Cortado exceptional. The Cortado strikes a delicate balance, where the strength of espresso is harmoniously complemented by a modest amount of steamed milk. Typically, equal parts espresso and steamed milk create the perfect Cortado. This ratio allows the espresso's complex flavors to shine through while taming its intensity with a touch of smoothness from the milk. Another intriguing aspect of the Cortado is the ideal cup size in which it is served. Unlike larger coffee drinks, the Cortado is traditionally served in a small glass or ceramic cup. The smaller cup size serves a purpose. It allows for better temperature control and encourages savoring the Cortado in small, delightful sips. This intimate serving size enhances the overall experience and ensures that every sip is as enjoyable as the first. Last but not least, the Cortado is not just a morning wake-up call. In Italy, it's often enjoyed as a refreshing afternoon pause, providing a delightful break from the day's activities. The Cortado offers a moment of tranquility, allowing you to savor the rich flavors and enjoy a brief respite from the hustle and bustle. It's the perfect companion for an afternoon recharge. And there you have it. The lesser-known facts about the captivating Italian Cortado. We hope you've discovered something new and are inspired to experience the delightful balance of flavors yourself. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Arrivederci.